Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your GCash app auto back problem. To fix the issue, first go to settings. Now scroll down and then go to apps. Now search for GCash. Open it. Now scroll down and then go to storage and then just click on clear cache. After that click on back and then click on force stop and then click on battery, click on optimized, back, set as default, click on that and then click on open supported link, just enable it and then permission, just give the permission, notification, just click on enable. After that go to Play Store and then update the app and finally restart your phone. And that's it. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.